guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing another St. Patty's Day look. If you're interested in what kind of look I come up with, I'm going to be showing you in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello again, cuties. It's Connor McCleary here, and I am working on St. Patty's Day, being paid absolutely nothing and doing a voiceover while everyone else is out drinking. So let's just get this over with so I can go get me some green beer and a whiskey to start off my holiday. Now, using the tan colour again, you want to blend it in to get a good base for the upcoming colour. And of course, you guessed it, it's going to be green. You can't have enough green on St. Patty's Day. The last thing you want to do is forget your beautiful green and get pinched all day. Also, using a green eyeshadow gets you away from having to wear one of those dumb shirts that says I'm Irish for a day or pinch me I'm dreaming. I mean, honestly, if I see one more person... Sorry, never mind. Back to the voiceover. Using a standard yellow, you're going to want to go over the top of the green like the sun rising over a beautiful meadow. Be sure you get it nice and pigmented because you really want the colour to pop. Now that you have your yellow, grab the green again and define a line between the two colours to let them have their own identity. Of course, because it's St. Patty's Day, you obviously did a little bit of pre-gaming before the bar, so you're going to have a little bit of clean-up. Of course, it's wing time now, so you're going to make sure you want to get them extra sharp for tonight because you're going to be going out, and looking this good, you know somebody's going to want to mess with you. Breathalyzer time. Oh, sorry. I was thinking of something else. She was obviously just trying to set the glue before she put them on her eyes. Because, of course, if you're going to be going out, getting drunk with your fan, you're going to want to have some fakies on, because honestly, like I said last time, is there anything better? The skin protector from Almay, you're going to want to put it all over your face for whatever reason. I'll be honest with you, I'm just ready to get out of here. Go grab a drink. My god. Now, using whatever this is, I think it's some kind of war paint for when we went and fought the Scots. I'm not sure. Anyway, she's blending it in so that way you don't look too threatening on your way out tonight. And if it wasn't complete, now we have to add a little bit more war makeup and blend it in, I guess. I don't know why. If you're trying to put on war makeup, just put on war makeup. Now, using the beautiful sunshine yellow you did on the top of your eye, you're going to do it on the bottom of your eye, because every good sunset has a nice solid base to it. So continue to make it pigmented and add a little bit more green in the corner of your eye to really make it shine, to really make it pop before you do your fish face. Now that you're doing your fish face, we're going to contour to make it look even better. And you got to add a little bit of sparkle to your cheek, your other cheek, and the tip of your nose, so you look like Tony Montana from Squareface. Now blending that in is going to really define you. And just because they're fakies, ladies, doesn't mean we don't put mascara on them to make them look even better. Because it is St. Patty's Day, and who knows, it is a day to get lucky. Now throwing on some beautiful black lipstick, it's kind of just giving it an extra little pop. That way you won't be one of those basic women out there with a pinch me I'm drinking shirt. Again, don't get me started. And of course, what would a beautiful look like this be without a nice slow-mo blinking clip like all the other girls on YouTube to show off, look at me, I'm Irish and I'm beautiful.
So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed my second St. Patty's Day look. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.